Hi guys, welcome back to Savoir Renee, and if this is your first time on joining us on here, welcome. As you can tell from the title of this video, today we're going to be making some vegetarian fritters. For a full list of the ingredients used, please check the description box below. Now let's get right into the video. Time for the vegetable prep. So here I'm just going in and I am slicing my spring onions. I'm going to be slicing in about half of my red onions as well. I personally love red onions because I just think it gives everything an amazing flavor. Then I'm going to add this to my pre-sliced bell peppers. So now that our vegetable prep is done, we're going to be moving on to the dry ingredients. So I'm going to measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder alongside 1 Maggi cube, and I'm going to mix all of this together properly. So moving on, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water, and I'm going to mix this in nicely to make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. Once I'm done incorporating the water to the mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 eggs to this. I absolutely love how fluffy and moist eggs make fritters. So I'm just going to go in and mix this bad boy in properly. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add in the vegetables that we diced up earlier on, and then I'm going to leave this to rest for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Now onto the fun bit. I'm going to preheat my vegetable oil to about 350 degrees. And we are going to start putting that lovely batter into the oil. Here I'm just using in a dishing spoon. It's slightly bigger than your regular size, and I'm just putting my batter in. So you're going to leave your fritters to fry for about 2 minutes on each side, so that's 4 minutes in total, or till when your fritters is like golden brown. Once you've achieved the beautiful color that you're looking for and you're sure that it's cooked, you're just going to go ahead and take that out, and just make sure you drain that on a kitchen towel. This is pretty much the finished product, guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and definitely hit the bell button below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.